In this episode of Freewheeling Chinmoy, we bring to you an inspirational story of Shubhro Joardar. I call him the Blade Runner. A horrendous motorbike accident almost shattered the dream of Shubhro in becoming a cricketer. But then he turned it around. Wearing a blade in his amputated leg, he went on to represent the specially abled Indian cricket team. So then, let's unfold the story of Shubhro Joardar. This is India's famous national club Mohun Bagan, the club for which Shubhro always dreamed to play for. Hi Shubhro, what's up mate? You're doing good? Okay, you're watching Freewheeling Chinmoy and this is my mate Shubhro Joardar. You know, he's an inspiration. So you can see this is an artificial leg. We are all familiar with Oscar Pistorius. We call him the Blade Runner. We remember in 2012 London Olympics, he reached the semi-final in 400 meters. Shubhro, I know you are an aspiring cricketer. And I first say that what really came in the way of your ambition?
In 2008, when I was playing in the CAB leagues, I always wanted to play for big clubs in Kolkata along with CAB. I was getting good runs and getting good exposure. But at the same point of time in 2008, I had an accident of my bike with the Tata Sumo, and somehow in that accident I lost one of my limbs. So for that point of time, my cricketing career actually got shattered.
So Shubhro, the thing is that incident happened, heartbreaking, shattering. From where did you start sculpting your comeback?
They all told me that I had a amputation from mid-thigh, so it will not be possible for me to actually walk without crutches.
Okay.
So playing cricket or playing anything physical activity it's actually not possible. Then I got to know about a German company. They are good at prosthetic limbs. So I had a video conference with their company, and I told them what I was doing at that point of time, about my past life, how my activities were before my accident. So they suggested me a limb.
Was there any inspiration for you?
At that point of time, Sudha Chandan and Masudur Rahman.
Right, the dancer, the famous dancer.
Yes. But at the same point of time, it was also disappointing for me that they both were below knee amputees.
Okay.
And the prosthetist told me that for a below knee amputee, it was much easier than an above knee amputee. And my amputation from upper thigh, it was much more difficult to balance everything.
Now listen to this man's incredible comeback to competitive cricket.
2015, I got to know there is a India team for differently abled cricketers. Then I contacted with them for my trials and all. Then I got to play National League of that category, and in that very particular tournament, I got man of the series. And
Which year you played this tournament for India?
I played for India in 2016 against Bangladesh. I had my debut, and at the end of 2017, I got the captaincy. 2017 till now, I was captain in India.
This guy is not only an example, he's the captain of Indian team for the specially abled or physically challenged players. So we're really proud to have Shubhro, who has not only overcome his inability but then gone right there. So we take a lot of inspiration out of this boy. So let's keep moving. So we have already heard from Shubhro his battle against the tragedy of losing the leg. How he turned it around after wearing this blade, and what he turned it around? He again came back to play the game he loved. So let's see the skill of this man. Shot!
I try to follow the guidelines, but with this artificial limb, you always have some little bit of difficulties every now and then.
Right. So we wind it up. Difficulties is he is saying. Is it difficulty? I don't think so. For Shubro, any difficulty can be overcome. Our best wishes on behalf of Freewheeling Chinmoy. Shubro, I hope and pray to God that you inspire us, keep inspiring us and reach or scale many more heights.